The most interesting thing I learned today was just how much data and information, I think about DNA and forensics and, the information that provides to a case, but then, we have these assumptions in the community about what the best samples are to test. Like I work sex assault cases, so we're looking at, okay, how do we do this so that we're efficient, so that we can take all these cases that we're working on and get information out, good information out quick and efficient. And hearing Julie Valentine do a lot of their research and their data to really point out what of our assumptions are correct and which of our assumptions are unfounded on the data that they've collected in Utah, and just kind of makes me think about some of the assumptions that I make about what would be the best samples and which ones are correct, but also which ones really don't have any weight. And so that was kind of an eye-opener for me today to kind of go back and ponder, how can our lab that I work at take some resources to really help dig down and find out what are we doing that is spot on, and what are we doing that maybe we need to do a little more research to find out how can we actually make our process better using facts and data. And you sometimes think that is just part of, because we're forensic scientists, we want to know the facts and the data, but sometimes also in this, emotions get the best of you as you read a story and you're like, oh my goodness, I need to get justice for this person, and you let your emotions drive where you're going, but how much the data really does speak for itself. And we need to almost marry both of those concepts of, logic and emotion to really get the best product.